bird dog is one of McGill's big three and does a great job at strengthening the core, including your abdominals, your obliques, and your back musculature. There are 3 stages of the bird dog: single arm, single leg, and contralateral leg and arm. Here they are. In a tabletop 4-point position, with the hands under the shoulders and the knees under the hips, you're going to engage the core, and we'll go through the first stage of single arm. Chin tuck. The second stage is single leg. Same setup, in tabletop position. Engage core, chin tuck, and extend back the leg. The third stage is the contralateral leg and arm bird dog, in the same setup as the first 2 stages. From here, leg back, arm forward. All the while continuing to chin tuck, engage core, and breathe. With a ball, you can further assess if your pelvis is tilting or not. If the ball stays on, you're not tilting as much. With a ball in the small of your back, follow through with the similar exercise. If you tilt the pelvis, the ball can fall off. And that's the bird dog.